Hello, in this video I am with the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V and I'm gonna show you how you can assign ringtone to contact. So first of all you have to open the phone dialer, then you have to go for the contacts on the right bottom corner and let's pick for example the second contact. Right now click on these three dots in the right upper corner and then click to set a ringtone. As you can see right here we can find list of the default ringtones. If you want to set this one, just click on it and then tap OK. If you want to add your own ringtone, the custom one, click to add ringtone. And right now we will be moved for the recent files. You can click on these three lines in the left upper corner where you can go, for example, for the music, for the Google Drive, for the downloads, or basically open the whole storage of your phone. And you can, for example, pick the downloads, select the downloaded file. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.